Hello and welcome to Mac Retrospective. My name is Jacob and today we're going to be powering up some Apple IIes. Now you may be asking, Jacob, didn't you guys do that a couple weeks ago, power up your Apple IIes? Well, yes! Conveniently, that video is linked here with this card thing. Awesome! But we're doing some different Apple IIes. Specifically, if you remember our first look video on the Apple IIe, which will also have a card. Awesome. We have 4 of them. 2 of them were functioning and the other 2 had their power supplies removed because one of those power supplies exploded. So what I've done is I've replaced both of those computers' power supplies with new kits that we picked up from Reactive Micro. There's going to be a link in the description down below to it. It's really cool. They put together an actual rebuilt new power supply in these really nice power supply enclosures. And they've got a couple different versions, one just for the Apple II, one for the GS. We opted for the deluxe version, which has both of those connectors and then also has an extra Molex connector and a USB connector so you can do some modding inside of it. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I'll have a link down below in case you guys want to pick one of those up. It's not like a sponsored thing or anything. I just think they're really neat. So what we're going to do is I think these systems should be fully operational now. At least this one. This is one I have set up right now is the one that didn't explode. So I'm hoping it runs just fine. I don't think I've ever powered this one up pre it having its power supplies removed or after. I don't think I've ever touched this one. The other one I'm a little more concerned about because that is the one that had its power supplies explode and I don't know if it fried any of the chips on board. We'll find out. So what we're going to be doing on these today is I have this stack of games for the Apple II. They're all Atari games, which I did an unboxing of over on the Games channel. So you can check that out if you'd like to. And we're just going to try and boot some of these. I like having nice, simple programs to boot right off of that have color and, you know, I can test the keyboard that don't require me to boot into an OS first or anything like that. It makes my life easier. So we're going to go ahead and put that in, and I'm going to do the classic reach around to flip the power switch. I forgot to turn the monitor on first, so it's going to take a couple seconds for it to appear on screen. And look at that, it's working. Although, I'm not hearing any noises. I don't know if Miss Pac-Man has a noise at boot up or not. I don't think I've ever played this. I played the original Pac-Man a bunch on here. Keyboard, yeah. And return. Space. There we go. Okay, it is working. Colors look fine. I think I might have them a little on. Hello. My keys aren't working over here. These are the ones I should be using, the A and Z normally, but those do not work. Is it some other key combination? I don't know. Well, that's strange. My left, now nothing works. I think the game froze. Yep. Okay, maybe it's a fluke. I'm just gonna, I know I should turn that off first, but it's clearly not doing anything, so I think we're safe. So I'm gonna take that disc, put it away, and let's try something else. Please work just fine. Please just be a fluke. I'd like to use this. What should we play next? Galaxian. Okay, let's do that. I like Galaxian. Okay. Now I'm nervous. Okay, Galaxian. Press space to continue. Toggle sound with S. That did nothing. So I think there is, maybe the speaker got disconnected or something. I don't know. One player with no, not joystick, keyboard. What am I doing? I was too lazy to find an actual keyboard, so Okay, left and right, and fire. It does seem to be working. And this version looks a little trippy. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if I like how this looks. I'm not sure if it's even supposed to look like that. I've never played this particular port of Galaxian. I'm most familiar with the arcade version. But it seems to be mostly working. That's nice. We'll give one more check of the game before we are done for the day. I'm gonna turn this system off, and we'll pick something else to play. Just to, I'll be honest, I just want to play video games. Centipede, Stargazer, Robotron, 2048, Track and Field, Moon Patrol, Pac-Man, Defender, Donkey Kong. Gotta play some Donkey Kong. It's a rule. If you have Donkey Kong for something, you must play it. So I assume it's gonna be left and right, A, Z, and space to jump? I guess we'll find out. That is some very weird looking art of Jumpman there. One. How high can you get? My keyboard's not working. Did I accidentally put it on joystick mode? I don't know. Well, that was interesting. Let me whoop, whoop. Well, that was weird. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Boot, jump man, boot. I don't even see a control 4 joystick. So I can only assume this is correct. Wait, my jump. Something's working, but not right. I'm very confused. And still, I will. So the only thing that works is jumping, and it's using the Apple key to jump. Well, all right. This computer is kind of flaky, or maybe I'm just being dumb and did something wrong. I don't know. But let's see if the other one, the one that I'm really nervous about, actually works. All right, I got the system set up. Also, not only am I nervous, I'm just annoyed because we've got some broken keys on this one because it got dropped here in a move. So I hope I don't need those particular keys. I want to see if this computer works. If not, it's not a big deal. Like I said, we got 3 others, and then this one can be used as a parts machine. But if it does work, I might want to actually fix the keys on it. I don't know. We'll find out if it actually works first before we make any decisions. I think I need to pick a new game to play. Let's see. Donkey Kong, Stargate, Centipede, Track and Field. I don't have the fun controller for that right now, so let's not do that. I've never played Jungle Hunt. Let's try that. I guess you guys get my first impressions for... Oh, that ain't right. What would I even do? I restart. Ooh. It's not a sync issue, is it? I don't on the back. I don't think so. I think, nope. No, it is not. Oh no, oh no. Yeah, I don't know exactly what this means, but it doesn't mean anything good. That much I know. I don't know if that's a issue with the 6502 or if it's a RAM issue or. I've never had to diagnose an issue really with the Apple II like this before. But it's safe to assume, given that all the chips probably got messed up pretty good from the power supply surging. It's not doing great. I want it to just I want to turn it off and turn it on and it's like, wow, it magically works, but I don't think that's happening. Well, that's kind of a bummer. If you guys know what's going on with this one, let me know. I'm not an expert on this thing's actual hardware. My experience has been playing games on them, and that's about it. So, yeah. Outro time. Make sure to please like this video, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, all that YouTube-y stuff. Let me down below what other Apple systems you would like to see us cover. We've got tons, and we're getting tons more. In fact, I just got a couple shipped in today that arrived broken. That's a long story, but for another time. And please make sure to join our Discord server where you can discuss your favorite Apple computers or Atari computers or Commodore computers or Coleco Atoms. And I'll see you guys next time.